Great. For the ones who are watching the recording, today is the day 13 of our journey to financial literacy, and our topic is what others are going to guess. So, guess karo. Any guesses?
Topic is guess because you wrote.
I guess it's about a story you're going to tell about a king, I guess. Because
Not
you put those about swords and kings, so I got a little idea.
We will start from that story and we'll get to a point. Any other guesses? Sneha? Gitika?
It's, I guess, chapter 4. We are beginning chapter 4, right?
Yes, exactly. So, okay. Now, the chapter 4 is about the biggest secret and the biggest difference in a person, in a rich person and the poor and middle class people. Okay, और ये चीज जो है, it separates the rich dad with the poor dad, and this is the most powerful thing in this book. And technical too, तो थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा when we go through this chapter. And this thing, it protects the rich people's money. And okay. Now, what Robert Kiyosaki says is that his rich dad, he played the game smart and he did it through corporations. Now, we're not going to do what's corporations right now. Okay? Acha, usse pehle, let's look at the name of the chapter. And tell me what you understand by the name of the chapter. It is the history of taxes and the power of corporations.
It's about taxes and corporations, maybe.
Okay. And anyone else?
It might be about how taxes were governed or how money was governed in olden times, and like I don't know what corporations are, so I don't have an idea about that.
Okay. Nishchint?
I have no idea, but I think it's about taxes and like how taxes were implemented, I guess, and the power of corporations. So maybe you are going to learn about the corporations here.
Okay. Gitika?
I think that history of taxes mean like how taxes works and how it is like increasing or decreasing. How do we manage it? And corporations, neither I have an idea about what is corporations. So we are just going to learn about it.
And Sneha?
I think taxes, how they were implemented, like, what do you say? Don't know the exact word, but
Okay.
how it is used in our day-to-day life, like that.
Okay. Great. Now, अच्छा देखो चैप्टर के नाम में ही दो खतरनाक वर्ड्स हैं, हिस्ट्री एंड टैक्सेस. अब इनको मिला के ये चैप्टर कितना खतरनाक है. Getting it?
It sounds like khatarnak.
It will be a bomb,
खतरों
I
के
guess.
खिलाड़ी. We reached the खतरों के खिलाड़ी level in this book.
Maybe a bomb, I guess.
Dark ages.
What?
Back to the dark ages.
Okay. Acha, so now we're going to start with a story. And screen visible? How many of you know Kids Hut?
Me, I used
बचपन में स्कूल में मैम चलाती थी stories.
no, I used to watch it every day on YouTube when I was small. Every day.
Yeah, exactly. Even, yeah.
Like join the Kids Hut family.
या वो वाला पार्ट हम थोड़ा सा स्किप करेंगे, वो फालतू की बातें करते रहते हैं. ओके, नॉट फालतू की, बट द वे यू कैन यूज इट इन रियल लाइफ. सो ऑडिबल?
Let me tell you a story of kindness. This is a story from a long, long time ago in Nottingham, England, when Prince Richard ruled the country. His younger brother, Prince John, was a wicked prince who took care of the state while the king was away for wars. Prince John was unkind to common people of Nottingham and had no consideration for the poor. Under his charge, the rich became richer while the poor became poorer. The poor had no savior to save them other than Robin Hood, or the hooded thief as he was popularly known. Robin Hood had a trusted companion called Little John. Robin Hood would rob the rich merchants and the prince's caravans that carried the huge taxes collected from the poor as they crossed the Sherwood Forest, which was the home of Robin Hood, on the way to the prince's treasury. And he would distribute the loot amongst the poor. His generosity earned him the name Prince of Thieves amongst the common people, and also many rewards that were announced by the sheriff for his capture. But this did not stop Robin from doing his good deeds. One day, when Robin Hood and his friends had robbed the prince's caravan again, the prince called the sheriff of Nottingham to the palace. "This is the last time Robin Hood has humiliated my men and me, Sheriff. What are your troops doing? Why haven't they caught that thief as yet?"
Your Highness.
Okay, so that's it for the story. Now, सबने देखी story? ध्यान से ऐसे देख रहे थे सब ऐसे. Okay? Now, what were your learnings from the story, or what do you think? Why do you think I made you watch the story? Sneha.
I think that if someone bad, like with bad thoughts, is ruling or
Mhm.
is doing bad deeds, then the rich get richer.
And the poor get poorer.
Yes.
Okay. Gitika?
I just like feel like from my feelings, I'm not thinking practical. It's a like hint of kindness. Like the thief, he used to like just rob the taxes and used to distribute between the poor. So yes, I just was continuously thinking about that only.
Okay. Devarsh?
So I guess it might be that the taxes which the poor gave, the taxes were coming back to them because Robin Hood was stealing them. So it might be that it might have a connection that the rich people have bought so many assets that they do not have to pay taxes.
Okay. Alakveer?
Just give me a second. I'm coming.
Okay. Shreyas?
I actually don't have anything to say.
Okay. Everyone, acha, yeah, Pradeep sir.
Robin Hood was always loved by common man. Why? Because he takes money from the rich people and give it to poor or the needy one. And people always hate governments because they are doing the opposite, taking money from the average middle class or poor people, but they are not giving it to rich man. That's the perception only. Somewhere they are spending money for all the benefits, including everyone. But the perception is government always charges taxes. So this story actually tells us the people who are working for poor or working for the weak become most popular, favorable, right? Is it right?
Yeah.
And the government always termed as lutera. हमारा 1/3 लेके जाता है. This kind of.
Okay. The answers were true. Now it's your own perspective. Okay. This thing is not about being right or wrong, it's about being perspective. Most of you, your answers were from the perspective of the people of England. Okay. अब ये कहानी रॉबर्ट की स्कूल की टीचर ने सुनाती थी. And she used to tell them that he was a hero. Robin Hood was a hero. He used to steal money from the rich and give it to the poor. Now, if I just say he used to steal money, इसमें वो गंदा बन गया, right? But he used to steal money from the rich and give it to the poor. Hero now, है ना? But do you think he was right? Do you think he was doing the right thing? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Not the right thing. Thumbs up बोलना नहीं है, thumbs up करना है. Okay. Some thinking, some are, okay. Now, what he was doing was he wrong?
He was not wrong, but
Ethically
his
wrong.
way was wrong.
Ethically wrong.
Okay.
It was like
Was-
he was like technically wrong, but he was doing wrong for the right reason. It's like that.
Emotionally right.
His intention was right, I guess, but his way was not.
Okay. Now, what he was doing, was it good for the poor? Yes.
Never,
Yes.
never, 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 never.
Never. Okay. What's the reason?
Because he make them dependable on them. They will never ever try to make money,
Exactly.
rather always be dependent on the money somebody is giving them. Like all the beggars, what they are doing. They are just asking for money and they are doing nothing. But if you teach them how to make money, how to work hard, that's the better way rather than giving them money.
Eye-opening.
Yes.
Now, what does Rich Dad say about this? Rich Dad bolte the, he's a crook. Now, what's a crook? Let's not go in this. He said he was a thief, okay, and he made the poor people lazy. Why? The belief of Robin Hood that log sochte the ki Robin Hood will give us money and we'll be rich or we'll be happy. But it was good for them for short term कि हर महीने उनको पैसे मिल रहे हैं from the loot. But for the long term, it was making them lazy. They were dependent on Robin Hood. Now they didn't used to work. They used to criticize the government and they used to say कि Robin Hood will help us and बैठ जाते थे वो. That काम करना है तो करो, नहीं करना तो मत करो. Robin Hood will give us money. Now, even today, the people, especially the poor people and the middle class people, वो बोलते हैं, why do the rich don't pay for it? Yeah, why the rich should pay more in taxes? है ना? They do. Now, this is the reason they struggle financially. They work hard and they criticize the rich people and by saying that they earn more and that they should pay more of taxes. Okay. The truth is that the rich and the wealthy, they don't pay taxes. Why? Acha, it's the upper class and the middle class people who pay most of the tax. Why? Because they have a very high salary. The upper class people, वो बहुत मोटी salary earn करते हैं. Okay, and the rich people, do they have a salary? No, they don't have a salary. They have passive income, they have assets. Do they work? No, they don't work, they just earn. Okay, now let's see. अब देखो चैप्टर में है ये दो वर्ड्स है पढ़ना पड़ेगा है ना taxes and history. So since it is history of taxes, we'll see how taxes were levied on the people. Now, do you know taxes कितने पुराने थे? 100 years?
2000 years?
I
From
guess
the era of human life.
2000 years, I guess.
That's so long. Acha, now since we're talking about America and England, so in England and America, there were no taxes originally, okay? Not at all. जीरो टैक्सेस. इंडिया में तो अगर आपके पास खिड़की है तो टैक्स होगा, दरवाजा है तो टैक्स होगा, आप खाना बनाते हो उस पे टैक्स होगा, आप जिंदा हो उस पे भी टैक्स होगा, राइट? बट इन इंग्लैंड एंड अमेरिका, अच्छा नाउ दिस इज अ टाइम ऑफ राजा रानी के जमाने की बात है ये, ओके? दे हैड नो टैक्सेस, but they had temporary taxes for around 5 years to 15 years. क्यों? Because they had to, लड़ाई होती थी, they had wars. And if I specifically talk about, just a minute, if you want me to be specific, there were taxes in Britain या इंग्लैंड कह सकते हो for the fight against अपने नेपोलियन भाई, है ना? So Britain had to fight against Napoleon, and so he had they had taxes for around 15 to 17 years, and America में they were taking taxes for around 4 to 5 years for the civil war पता है सबको, okay? Now, but then later in 1913 in America and in 1850s around in England, they put up, they made income tax a permanent tax on the citizens. Now they were in a habit of not paying taxes. अचानक से बोल दोगे कि we have this tax, income tax. If you earn, you have to pay tax, and this is permanent. Okay, every month pay करना पड़ेगा. Will the people agree? Will you agree? देखो ऐसे मैं question पूछ रही हूँ इसलिए नहीं. It's not the right way. Would you agree if you would be there? No. Why? Because obviously you don't want to pay taxes because yeah. Now the rich dad, he said, okay, before that, it took around 50 years for both of the countries to put the tax on the people. The people, why did they not want the tax? Because they were the people of England, and they heard about the story every day in their school of Robin Hood, and they said कि कोई आएगा, फरिश्ता आएगा, अमीर लोगों से वो पैसे चुरा के हमें देगा. They were in this thought, okay, and they used to believe that the rich should pay more in taxes. Why? Because they earn more and they are rich. Okay. What did the rich dad say about this? He said the government people are lazy. Okay. Kyun? They're dependent on the government. While the poor dad, he said that the rich people are greedy. Now imagine, ठीक है, ये तो rich dad और poor dad की बात हो गई. इनके बीच में फंसे हुए हैं हमारे रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी. वो जब काम करने जाते थे, he used to listen to the rich dad, and he said government people are lazy. Government में कौन थे? उनके पापा थे, his poor dad. And then when he used to go back to home, अपने poor dad के पास, he used to say that the rich people are greedy. Now, do you think the government people are lazy? अरे, sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
Sometimes, yes.
Why?
Because sometimes when I go to like Saras Parlor, in Jaipur, and I think that is a, what do we say that? Government thing, right?
Hmm.
So there I get ice cream. So sometimes they're just sitting and chatting, but then they said that the shop is closed even if I go at 1. When it's open, Then they said it's closed.
Okay. And Devash?
Well, I think that most of the times the government is lazy because if you talk about any city in India, if
Hmm.
a VIP or can everybody hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh
we
yeah,
can.
sorry. So like if a VIP is coming in that city, then that main area is completely open, and there are so many diversions that the entire half part of the city is covered in traffic. And to just cover a distance of 4 kilometers, you have to take a big round of 10 kilometers.
So this is the reason the government people are lazy.
That has happened with me.
Okay.
No, so the government only shows the VIP, the major areas, and they really don't improving the areas where the improvement is actually.
Needed.
1 minute, guys. Just hello.
Your voice is a bit choppy.
Now,
No.
1 minute. 1 minute. Let me do something.
Okay. Meanwhile, the reason, okay. Now, I told you that it took 50 years for the government of England and America to levy taxes on the citizens, right? उन्होंने मनाया कैसे उन लोगों को कि नहीं हमें taxes दो? Can you think of a reason? What took them like 50 whole years? I mean 50 whole years. Yeah, Devash?
It might be that they must have said that if you don't pay the taxes, then the government won't have any money to give you the salary. So you won't receive the salary if you don't pay the taxes.
No.
Wait, Kavanjali, can you repeat the question, please?
It took 50 years, 50 years for the government of England and America to put taxes, to make the taxes permanent. Why, okay, क्या चीज बोल के उन्होंने मनाया to the citizens?
Like they can just like threat them कि हम services नहीं देंगे, or like normal necessities they will put, they will like restrict it, that we will not give you because you are not giving taxes or something maybe.
Okay, well, this is not the exact answer. Pradeep sir?
They can like commitment of giving them good quality infrastructure, good environment, good ecosystems, and if they are making the road, they are on their own, that they will give more money for that. And government can do it for the whole city with low cost. That kind of commitment they can do.
Okay. Now, the actual reason what the government said was उन्होंने लालच दिया उन लोगों को of not high salary, of not less taxes, but they said because the government knew that the people believed in the story of Robin Hood. है ना? They said that we punish the rich people by taking taxes. Now, before, no one was paying taxes, right? Nor the rich, nor the poor. है ना? Now, like similarly just like in the story of Robin Hood, the rich earned more and they became richer. The poor earned less and they became poorer. है ना? So the rich were becoming richer, and to stop them from becoming rich, what they did was they said कि if we take taxes, the rich won't get richer. So the taxes are equal for all, for the rich and the poor. Now the rich will not earn more. This was the reason they gave for applying taxes. Now the poor people मान गए वो बात, okay, they got manipulated somehow, and then they got this thing that this will be an advantage for us. They wanted to revenge back, okay? They wanted to you know, Robin Hood का बदला लेना था कि they captured Robin Hood. Okay, so after 50 years they levied the taxes, and then what happened is the ones who supported the government for putting taxes, they were being punished by it. Okay, because the poor were already getting poor and they are paying more tax on it, and then they're getting more poor. So the rich are becoming richer and the poor are becoming poorer and poorer. Okay, now what do you think will happen next?
A revolt by the poor people.
Kyun? The government says, the government has proof. Okay, they have signature करा ली सबके, they have asked the people to कि हम taxes लगा सकते हैं या नहीं, and the people only themselves, they said कि हाँ लगा दो taxes. So that revolt, yeah,
टैक्स है तो कम करने के लिए बोलेंगे कि reduce the taxes, we are not able to pay this much.
okay. Now what Rich Dad says is like around the middle of the chapter, he says कि आगे जानने के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ, हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते नहीं, पढ़ते रहिए, समझते रहिए, और बस.
देखते रहिए, हंसते रहिए.
Yeah. What?
क्लास में वापस आते रहिए.
Exactly. So now अभी तक का सब कुछ clear. This is the history of taxes. Okay, the Civil War, Napoleon Bonaparte, and America, England. Okay, history of taxes clear. Clear सबको पक्का? Doubts? Any doubts? छोटा सा, बड़ा सा, नहीं? Okay. Then we come to corporations.
I just got one little loud.
Yes.
During the World War, wait, you said that taxes were levied permanently in 1913.
Yeah, in America.
Yes, in America. So basically during World War II, during World War II, like when America attacked on Japan and that whole crisis started. So was there any difference in the taxes, or like during the Cold War between America and Soviet Union, was there any damage in that too?
In that what?
Like you said that taxes were levied because of the wars. Now, if taxes were made permanent and a big war like World War II and Cold War, but these were the two big wars. Now, wouldn't the tax be more?
The tax which was made permanent was the income tax.
Here
Okay.
about they charged 70 to 80% of taxes during the World War. They told the people that you just need dal, roti, and ghar. Rest is money for the government because we are fighting for you to the world. So it's our responsibility to save you. So whatever you have, give it to me. It's exactly like Maharana Pratap did. Maharana Pratap के time पे क्या हुआ था? Everybody give money to the Maharana Pratap. Just save us. Save our Chittorgarh. Fight to Akbar. So this is the patriotism come in the role. The money comes later. Patriotism becomes the first primary.
Okay, thank you. Okay, got it.
Sneha?
So, if you look at taxes, type of every tax has 18%.
It depends.
No, it's different on every tax.
Yes, but on you say majority taxes, it is 18. Why is it like only 18?
Wait. Can I answer, Kavya?
Yeah, sure.
There are two categories of taxes in India: direct tax, indirect tax.
Oh.
Simple to prove. What is direct tax? When you make money, you give to government. That is directly you are giving on your salary, your business income, whatever income you are making, you are giving, and that is based on the amount you make. 5 lakh है तो 5%, 7 lakh है तो 7%, 10 lakh है तो 10%, 15 lakhs हुआ तो 30%. That is incremental as your salary increases. That you are paying directly to the government or your employer will deduct before giving salary. That is direct tax. So everybody have a pain of paying direct tax because हमको जेब से देना पड़ता है ना. But there is another tax that is indirect. you even don't know you are paying the taxes. For example, you are buying a milk, you are paying 5% taxes, but you don't know because you are not giving the taxes. You are just giving 60 rupees to the milk shop. So that milk shop owner is giving the taxes. So now that there as the category depends on how severe you read the product. If it is a luxury product, the taxes is 30%, 28%. If it's a normal product, it's 18, 20%. Like agarbatti pe bhi 18% hai. That's the minimum thing, right? When you go to a restaurant, you have food there, you pay 12% taxes. But if you get a pack and a parcel at your home, that is 5% tax because now you're not using the environment and services. Eat out is luxury. Bring food at home is necessity. So at the luxury, you are paying more taxes. And that is in India, it is called GST, goods and services tax. So luxury things have higher tax. And all of the above, petrol, diesel, alcohol, these are the all above the highest 50%, 40% kind of taxes. So it depends on which type of tax you are talking now. Abhi bolo. You got the clarity? Yes. So when you
100%.
pay when you pay the direct tax, it's a pain. But when you go and eat out, you are already on the luxury vacations. On hotels, you are paying 18%. You don't know actually you are paying 18% because you are giving this money to not to the government but to the hotel owner. So it's like it's part of your expenses. You're going for a Pizza Hut, you're having a pizza of $1,000. You are giving money for your pleasure. So you don't know it is a tax. But pizza owner is actually giving the tax on behalf of you. Right? That is indirect taxes. Perfect.
So is it like if I bought this book for 100 rupees, तो इसमें यहाँ पे लिखा होता है inclusive of taxes. So this includes the tax. But direct tax means this is indirect tax. Or is this direct?
It is indirect now because you are not giving the taxes. You are buying your product that you need.
Okay, okay.
You don't know the
And
5%.
if we talk about let's say मुझे FBR में जाना है next year, तो वहाँ पे the
Indirect because you are buying something. Siddharth sir is giving the taxes. You are giving. It is his responsibility. And it
that
has a
is
layer.
direct.
That is again indirect. Direct tax is only on your salary when you make money. Only on the salary part. Now,
Okay.
Siddharth is the business income. So for that business income, he is charging the taxes paid directly to the government by Siddharth, not by you. And after all the businesses, whatever the profit they made, they take out some part of salary. Even if it is a business owner, they are taking some part of salary, and on that salary, they are paying direct taxes to government.
Okay.
Net income, kind of. And even in that is a different part. Like a farmer is making tomatoes. They are selling tomatoes to some manufacturers. Whatever amount they made, they pay taxes. Now that manufacturer making some sauces and give it to distributors. The difference price, they pay taxes. And the distributor give it to retailer give it to you. So on every level, that 18% is charged. So one person given the 18%, the whole chain is completed.
Okay.
And one person will give on this chain. Right?
Okay.
Perfect.
Clear, everyone?
Now I have one question to all of you.
Yes.
The Robin Hood story.
अच्छा उससे पहले everyone switch on your cameras. Sneha, I can't see you. Devesh, I can't see you. Alakveer, I can't see you. Shreyas, I can't see you. हाँ बाकी सब है.
Right.
Okay, great.
So the
Yeah.
question is, when you said the government is levied the taxes and they are just copying the idea of Robin Hood. We'll give more tax, we'll take more money from rich people, we'll take less money from the poor people. That means before that, there were no taxes. Am I right? Then what Robin Hood was doing? You were looting the taxes in your story. You were shooting the tax vehicles. There is a disconnection. Tell me the differences. वो टैक्सेस चोरी करते थे तो टैक्सेस बाद में कैसे आया? टैक्सेस तो रॉबिन हुड के बाद आया. Interesting thought. So
Wait, can't get the question.
question is, you
हाँ.
said that government ने taxes imply किए कि आपको tax pay करना पड़ेगा, and they take the idea from the Robin Hood because Robin Hood was so favorable क्योंकि वो रिच लोगों से पैसा लेता था, पुअर को देता था. He take money from the rich and giving to poor people. And in your story, they are not taking money from the rich. They are just shooting on the tax vehicle of the government. जो गवर्नमेंट का जो टैक्सेस का पैसा जाता था, उसको वो शूट करके लूट करते थे. Am I right? हाँ. तो टैक्सेस तो पहले भी थे. The name was different.
So, sir, do you mean that before taxes were levied in America or England, they were in the story from the
They were from the mankind. जब तो पहला राजा बना था, from where the Raja get the money? भाई, America
Revenue,
is
they
just
called it.
200 year old. England is
Yeah,
150 years, 200 years old. उसके पहले क्या था? Now if you remember your childhood story, अकबर का पढ़ा है हमने story. Akbar was given a taxes, Hindu से अलग taxes, Muslim से अलग taxes लेंगे अपन. If you convert to the Muslim, you pay less taxes. मतलब taxes वहाँ पे भी थे. लगान देखी आपने? लगान में भी taxes थे. दुगना लगान, तिगुना लगान. लॉर्ड कृष्णा, वो स्टोरी देखा आपने? कंस वाज चार्जिंग टैक्सेस. सबको कोड़ा मार मार के पैसा लेता था. जितना खाना आपने बनाया, जितना आपने खेत में उगाया, वी हैव टू टेक 30%. तो टैक्सेस वर ऑलवेज देयर. द नेम वाज डिफरेंट. And the official word tax is coming from the story of Kavya. So that means whoever is in the government, even if it is a king, even if it is a Krishna, even if it is a Kans, वो पैसा कहाँ से लाएंगे? From where they will manage the big houses. वो बड़ा सा पैलेस कैसे बनाया? That is from the taxes only. So you make money from the transaction. From the day the transaction of money has started, the taxes has started. उसके पहले था, I'll give you wheat, you give me milk, no taxes. Where I'm not making anything. But when you started making profit, the taxes comes in a role. और कौन लेगा? Who is the king of the city? Who is the you can say indirectly owner of the city. Like governments तो बाद में आई ना, पहले तो राजा होते थे. तो राजा they used to charge the taxes. The kings का खजाना वैसे ही बनता था. And the people from Afghanistan and that area comes to India because India is the filthy rich country, full of golds. तो इंडिया में इतना सोना था, लोगों का टैक्स देना बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं था उनके लिए. It was very easy to pay taxes, but they come here, they took all the gold. Now Indian become poor. Got it? Sambalpan moment. Yeah.
Okay. Any doubts? Yes, Devash.
Yeah, I had one small doubt. So no, it's not a doubt. I actually wanted to say something that I remember in next you had given your presentation about the richest man in Babylon, and you said that money was governed in Babylon 2000 years ago, and it's been governed the same way as it is now. So I related it to that, and that's when I said that that taxes might have been from 2000 years ago, because since money is there, taxes have to be there.
Yeah. Okay. So you read the book?
No, I only remember what you said.
Acha. Okay. Great.
I read after that I am reading Rich Dad Poor Dad currently, but that book is also in the book reading list.
Yeah. So that book is like mind blowing. Now, उसमें जो words है थोड़े complicated है. It's not that I give you money. It's I give it thy money. So it's not Babylonian language में है वो. So it's very complicated, but you have to understand it. And the lessons are very profound. If you understand these lessons, you'll live your life at your fullest. Okay.
Well, I remember the Jungle Book from my school, and it was like, what is thy jungle song? I wanted to hear from thee. I was like, who is this guy?
Exactly. So I read one page like thrice. Firstly, looking at कि मुझे क्या पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Secondly, reading that thing. Thirdly, कि मुझे ये समझ में आया है क्या मैंने कुछ मिस किया है. So if you read the book once, it's like a trailer. Second time, you have to read it again to understand it. So we are up with time. And any other doubts? No. Great. एक बार सब लोग कैमरा पे आ जाओ. We'll click a picture with money this time. this one.
One camera, Shreyas.
Shreyas and Alakveer for once.
My camera is actually not switching on for some reason.
Okay. And Alakveer?
Just a second, I'm 20.
Okay, we will wait for a second. And done.
Okay.
Okay. एक बार let's do a demo. Find this emoji and then
I'm not able to find it. I mean,
search for it. Money search करना पड़ेगा.
but iPad में it's not showing of search option. It's not, the search option is not showing up. Wait, did you search it for? Did you search it in the in the symbols part? The transport.
Like
Yes.
reaction send with effect, and there are like maybe 3 dots or something to search to go for like more.
Yes, yes, I found it. I have like pound, euro, Kuwait, dollar, and flying dollar. Which one should I
Flying
do?
dollar.
Okay.
Demo once.
एक मिनट. एक मिनट हो गया.
हो गया.
I'm not able to search it.
Objects में होगा. Look at it. Look for it in the objects वाला part. मिला? अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. Do anything. So 3, 2, 1 and wait, go नहीं बोला अभी मैंने. Sorry. Okay, again. Ready? अच्छा 3, 2, 1 and go. Great. So that's it for today, teens. Let's get the right financial literacy and not just material wealth. That's me, Kavyanjali Raval, signing off. Until tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Good night.
This is for you.